Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. I'm going to present my paper about religious and cultural identity of Bawean community overseas. Why the Bawean people is interesting to be discussed here? Because the Bawean people is often known as the Boyan people and are found living in the large community in Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, even in the Christmas Island in Australia. The question of this research is how is the role of Bawean cultural identity and people culturally easy to be accepted by other people overseas. Bawean people are better known as perantau. The habit of migrating with their success story have given birth to the cultural values that have been passed down from generation to generation. Migrating is a culture and the value system referred to by the Bawean people in general. Some of the Bawean oral tradition contain philosophy of life for the people. One of them, ajik nyengkap sewek mun kita ngukir langit, ajik ngukir langit mun kita cukup sangu lahir batin. Meaning, do not open a woman dress or marry before opening the sky. Do not opening the sky until is physically and mentally equipped. So this is the tradition of the Bawean people. When people living in Malaysia, the Bawean have not merely acculturated but have assimilated into the Malay community. They call it the migrant of similarity because they share a common religion, language, and custom with the Malay people. So it is in contrast with the, let's say, Chinese or Indian migrant whom they refer as the migrant of difference with different cultural background comparing to the Malay community. Bawean in Singapore, apart from the economic motive, there were also religious motive in which Singapore was used as transit point for later continuing the pilgrimage to Arab land. So the Bawean used the Singapore as the transit before they went to the Mecca for the pilgrimage. Bawean in Vietnam came to Vietnam from the archipelago in the early as the 19th century. So according to their story, firstly, their coming to the Vietnam prompted by socio-economic motivation. They wished to escape the repressive of Dutch colonial labor system. Secondly, migration was structural cultural element of the Bawean culture, as we already discussed about the tradition of diaspora or merantau. And lastly, their migration was indirectly the result of their religious conviction. So there is kind of relation between the religious conviction with the tradition of migration. So mainly the Bawean people are accepted culturally and religiously in the Southeast Asia because the tradition of the adaptation and tolerance. To conclude this presentation, I would like to summarize my paper. First, the connection of Bawean Island with the shipping and trade route has affected the diaspora activities. Second, the tradition of the Bawean people are very influential element in encouraging diaspora activities. And the last conclusion is the religious model of the Bawean community, which is full of tolerance as part of the archipelago tradition, affect the cultural adaptation of the Bawean overseas and also suitable with the culture of the host country in Southeast Asia. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.